Here we are going to split the Hedychium, densiflorum, Assam Orange, otherwise known as the ginger lily. A beautiful rhizomatous perennial which comes into its own towards the end of the summer. And they're really striking, so if you have a nice clump in your garden, it is a real showstopper. They have a lovely scent to them, which becomes revealed if you are lucky enough to have a big clump and you're splitting them. The rhizomes smell of ginger, because of course the ginger we use in cooking is actually a root. So here we have a lovely clump that have come from the gardens, and we're just going to split them, pot them up so we can sell them in the spring. So obviously we've had a shovel and the gardeners have lifted this for us, and now we're going to just use the saw and split them because they're so compact. I won't be able to do that just by prizing them apart. Lovely. And you really do smell the ginger. It's lovely. There we go. And you're looking like for something like that, if you are propagating them, a bit of root system on there, and then you can get a nice pot, bit of compost. There we go, lovely. And that's really all there is to it.